also took kiss yesterday and she like really upset. The first time you had something more than love.
You had one job to get to.
You sure you're okay? You sound I tried.
So mate, I was playing a boy and oh god! Oh wait, what the fuck?
It was great. Angry. I don't need you or anyone to tell me that. Exactly how I'm gonna do it, alright? Catherine. Hi.
Fair.
I'm glad these have.
You okay there, Molly?
Yeah, it's got like a face full of that hair. I was like.
You don't
I'm
have that
sorry,
problem
like
with me.
it's a bit like an afro just at the end.
I was saying that was not a bump.
You like grabbed you were like sorry. Just like I don't like it.
Don't like it.
I don't like it. What am I doing? It's called Steve. Goodbye.
Yeah, on.
Sorry.
What have you? Oh, for God's sake, Molly.
I'm gonna go.
I'm sorry.
First side.
Okay.
Do you know it?
Saying Claire.
Claire.
Hey.
Claire. Claire.
George.
George.
Yeah, you don't get it.
It's a banter. Do you see the banter? I'll never let go.
All around me are familiar faces.
There was enough room on that raft.
Is anybody out there? Right, well,
Becca. Hi.
Hi. I'll just be.
Not like that.
Claire's doing that was falling. Oh. Every time I say let it go, it's gonna happen anyway. Let it go. All that fills so much sass and then.
What the fuck is that?
Right, go on, come on, we need to do this.
Sorry.
Don't look at the camera.
Can't even hear me.
I didn't know what the hell I was doing.
What's the point? You can't even hear me.
Yeah, I took everything in my page.
That's creepy.
Did you hear that?
No.
You fucking deaf.
Okay, Molly.
I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti.
Wow.
Yeah, oh no.
Well, maybe she should watch where she's going.
Whoa, calm down. Just let it.
I saw that glint in your eye. I was like, we're not doing this, are we?
Claire.
I can't get enough of. So I tell you something.